Well, hello YouTube. Just thought we'd put a quick video together here of hauling a 20-foot SeaCan up last November. It's for we can have a little lockbox storage area at our sawmill shed, put expensive saws and equipment in. In this video, you're going to see us offloading it and prepping the area for it to go into next to the sawmill. We're going to level it off with the dozer. And this is our first job with the dozer after we got it up to the ranch there. And unfortunately, the left steering brake isn't working, so you're going to see him do a little bit of side shuffle to get it to turn left. But we'll be working on that over winter. So we're going to level a little base off for it, drag it into position, and get her ready. So please enjoy the video and give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you.